Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that many of you LG TV users have been asking about recently. Following their latest software update on their TV lines, we've noticed a change in the home screen look that many of you might hate. But here's the thing, whether you're using an LG OLED CX model, like the one we have here today, or any other TV model that had this change, I'm about to show you a nifty trick over how to bring back that classic home screen style. Let's get started. Grab your magic remote, press the settings button, and then scroll down to all settings. Before going into showing you how to do it, I'm gonna show you guys the software version we're talking about. So if you press the support, go on software update, you will see that the latest added software was 4.41.45. If you press on the check for updates, nothing is going to happen because this is the last one. So let's go back to our task. Go to General, then you go to Home Settings, and we have here Home Auto Launch, Home Screen Style, and Home Promotion. By default, I kept that off. Here, if you're newly updated home screen or the previous home screen. Personally, I like the new one, how it looks, so I'm just going to keep it as it is. But if you guys want to go back to basic, you could simply switch to this one. Going back, if you're not liking the fact that your TV right now opens every single time on the Home Auto Launch, showing all your applications, showing all the fuzzy titles and so on, simply toggle this switch off. As I did, every single time I'm opening the TV right now, I'm going to be prompted with the latest application or input I was using on my TV. So if you close your TV using Netflix, next time you're opening the TV, it's going to be going back to Netflix. If you close it using your game console, it's going to be opening back on game console. So if you're toggling this on, you're going to be always prompted with the new screen style. And that's how you can quickly revert back to the classic home screen look on your TV. It is as simple as heading into settings, finding the home screen style, and switching it from new to basic. If you have found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more useful tech tutorials in the future. And remember, sharing is caring. Share this info with your friends who might also be looking to bring back that classic home screen style. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.